Amazing knowledge about tomatoes you don't know. Tomatoes are not only sweet and delicious, but also they are a great source of fiber, potassium and vitamins A, C, and K. Dear viewers, in this video, I'm going to share a lot of information about tomatoes. Before starting it, I'd like you to like the video and subscribe the channel. So, let's get started. First amazing thing about tomato is that it is not a vegetable, it is a fruit. Are you shocked? But this is true. Scientifically, tomato is a fruit because it contains seeds. Fruits contain seeds, but vegetables do not. But historically, tomato is a vegetable. In 1893, American Supreme Court declared it a vegetable. Second amazing thing about tomato is its red color. Its red color is due to a type of carotenoid called lycopene. It is related to beta-carotene and gives some vegetables and fruits a red color. Third amazing thing about tomato is its fast germinating time. Tomato seeds typically germinate in 5 to 10 days. How it should be eaten? It is a good question. One can eat it with salad, in cooked form or in raw form. But it is best when taken as raw, because leaving them raw helps your immune system work properly. Steaming and boiling are preferred methods for cooking tomatoes. It is best to eat tomato in daytime, while it should be avoided close to when you go to bed. Benefits: tomatoes are a good source of vitamins A, C, and K. They also contain calcium, potassium, folate, and beta-carotene. Tomatoes boost your immune system, lower your cholesterol levels, and keep your blood from clotting.